Instagram. It is your host, your friend, your partner, Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Racial Frequency, Mr. Esoteric Investor. I just shot a quick video of this secured credit card that we pushed last week. This card has great benefits. First, it reports 8 times a month. Everybody qualifies, and you start making money instantly. So, as you can tell, look at that. Thank you for applying. I did the video. Like I said, it took me about 3 minutes. Put the video on. I will put the video. Let's see. I want to show you guys what we're doing right now. So we got some trades going. We have some testing going on right now. We got some back testing on some strategies to see what's more profitable and how we're able to utilize it and have the system work for us and make money for us as we get better and we're not around. So we have that running. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, to tell you guys it's very simple, it's very quick. All you have to do is click the link, fill it out, do your securitization, and boom, you have your cards in the next 7 days. So this is going to help us jumpstart our credit score at least 25 to 50 points within the next 21 days. That's good. So talk to you guys later, man. You need any information, you need any ways